who shorts with snake skin? Cheap hoe might hit at the daisy. Glenwood hoe might fuck at the daisy. Nigga for the rest. Be serious, get a fucking life. Cause your stash gonna get a for a fucking life. Rude boy, I don't come polite. Make a nigga story run a long sprite. More money than a nigga cool.
What's going on, you guys? Bringing you guys a brand new video. It's a little bit different than what I usually be recording myself doing. Today I got invited by a couple of my boys and we're taking the G out to go slide. I did slid it before, only once, and this time I'm actually gonna slide it how it looks now, you know, all the mods and all the stuff I added on. But I'm going to be bringing my GoPro too. I brought the GoPro. I have a suction cup, I have a head mount, chest mount. I'm probably not going to use the chest because it looks a little lowered and not going to be able to see out the window as I'm like drifting, but maybe I could show you guys a little tutorial how to slide with the chest mount. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna bring the suction cup, the head mount, and I'm gonna get gas right now. I got my boy inside who I picked up. He's gonna be tagging along with me. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna grab a charger real quick in my mom's car and get ready to leave because all the boys are over there waiting at the spot. You know, Little Mexico. You know, check the fit, confit, you know, you feel me? All black. Sheesh. But yeah, we out here. I got the equipment that we're gonna be taking with the GoPro. I knew I dropped something. Look at that. I'm doing a video. I look down. Hay un cable en el piso. Yeah, we're taking her out today. Let's see how she behaves. Let's see, no overheat. Hopefully everything goes out good, no problems. We definitely gotta get gas first. My shit's on emergency. No tengo barra. No vas. Este carro se va a bajar. Good Tesla screen. Alright guys, so I just pulled up, got all the boys out. About to do a test run with the GoPro. Got everybody over there. Let's see how I do. Hopefully I'm a rock nasty.
You're done. You're done.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna do a practice run. Hopefully let's see how it goes. Yeah. Bro, I need to get used to it because it like catches grip at one point.
That shit grabs a lot of grip.
And then it fucking like, it opens up.
You need more gas.
You think so?
What are you doing there? You're second, huh?
I did second at first.
You're first. This is getting too slow. You gotta fucking press more gas. Keep this wheel spinning.
Yeah.
But they're good. This is the first time you swing this bitch, huh?
Yeah, because last time I brought it, but it was stock completely, so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just more gas.
Yeah, that shit was soggy, I ain't gonna lie. That shit was soggy. I need an angle kit too. I ain't gonna lie, guys, that little sliding was kind of soggy, so got a couple other people going right now. Champ pulled up too. cars out here. Look who pulled up. Mr. Tow Man. My boy pulled up with the tow truck. Got Champ showing the owner how to drive. Wanna see how he do. Okay then. Okay then. Roll back? Okay.